Friends, today I am going to show you some mistakes regarding beam. What mistakes small contractors do when they construct small beams or slab or columns. First mistake here in our site is this. You can see a this stirrup. Look at this stirrup. This stirrup, they have make the hook at 90 degree. This hook should be at 135 degree and it is should be bent towards the center. This hook is not bent by the contractors, by the small contractors which do their works on sites. So they do this mistake. They do not make a hook up 135 degree. This is one mistake. Another mistake in our slab beam is, and this hook should be alternate. This one stirrup, you can see this hook is this side, another one is this side. This is the right position of the hooks. This one is at this side. These are cross. You can see this one hook is at this side, so the other one will be at another side. This one is it. This is another mistake. Look, this stirrup hook is at this side and also the another one is also at the same side. So these stirrups should be placed alternate, not at the same positions. Look at this hook. When this hook is at this side, so the other hook should be provided at this side. This is another mistake at this beam. And you should remember another point, that the hook of this stirrup should be about 10D, and when 10D we make the calculations, it comes in our calculation 4 inch. It comes 4 inch. So this width should be, its length should be 4 inches. Another mistake here is this one. Look at the top bars. The top bars closer to the column, they are overlapped close to the column, because it is a big mistake here. And top bar should be overlapped at the center of the beam. They should, the top bars overlap should not be given close to the column, close to the support. And these have provided the top bar overlap at close to the support. Another the bottom bars are overlapped close to the support. You can see it, that this is the bottom bar should be overlapped close to the support. This is a good point here, but this is a mistake, that the top bars should be overlapped not close to the support. These should be overlapped at the center of the beam, at the center of the beam between the two supports. Another mistake here is, look at the beam's reinforcement. This is the beam reinforcement, and they did not provide the development length. For development length is necessary for the complete transfer, safe transfer of load from the beam to column. So they only left the beam steel just like straight. Look, you can see it, the beam, this steel from the beam is coming and it goes straight. They should provide a development length in the form of a hook L type, so that it can safely transfer the load from the beams to the column. This is another mistake at our site. In its development length should be 40 to 50D. 40 to 50D means the bar which you use in the beam, it has dia, you can change it to 50 multiplied by diameter of this bar, so it comes the development length. So you should provide a hook length at this point of 50D, so that it transfers safely the load from the beam to the column. Now let's see some mistakes regarding the slab. Look at the slab mesh of the reinforcement. You can see it. This is the shuttering of, that is the end point of the slab shuttering, and this reinforcement rod is provided till this end of the shuttering. So where should be the concrete goes for the cover, there is no concrete cover space given here. Look at this bar. This also has touching this shuttering plate, so there is also no space for the concrete cover. Another one, look at this one, there is also no concrete cover. This at this bar there is also no concrete cover. So this is another mistake regarding the slab. Now let's see another mistake about the top mesh bar of the reinforcement at the slab. At the slab you cannot provide the overlap at the top bars near to the support. Just like beams, you cannot provide this is the top mesh and this is the support, so you cannot overlap the bars or the top bars at near close to the support. These should be overlapped at the center of the supports too, because they here at the close to support there is negative bending moment and they do not resist a negative bending moment. This is the maximum negative bending moment area, so the top bar should not be overlapped close to support, just like beams. Here in our side, these top bars are overlapped close to the support, so this is another mistake.